Squigl is a quick video content creation platform to transform your message into an engaging video. Let's walk through making a Squigl video where you'll input a script, choose audio, and animated icons, or glyphs. When you log into Squigl, choose a video creation option. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to select Squigl Video. Step 1, create a script, offers several options for your script. I'm going to choose to copy and paste into the Enter Text field. Step 2 is set up audio, with several options to choose from. I'm going to choose to use a machine voice. In Step 3, Video Options, you'll direct if you want to choose the keywords that will be associated with your glyphs, or if you'd like Squigl to choose them. You'll also direct how many glyphs should be in each scene, and decide on using images or Squigl's glyphs. In Step 4, you'll select your keywords, the most important words from your script to drive your visuals. In Step 5, you'll have the option to choose an on-screen hand, add background images, and add a logo. Then choose Finalize your video quickly, or Edit. After you've edited your video to excellence, select Finalize Video from the 3-dot drop-down button near your video's title. Under Files, select Convert to MP4 to download your video. And select Share to make your video live. With adjustable permissions, comment options, and analytics, Squigl videos can be easily shared with your favorite collaboration apps like Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, PowerPoint, and more coming soon. It's that easy to get started making great Squigl videos.